Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. Previous video, I'll link up here in the cards. You also find it's only a few videos back. It's I did a video on the miner's carbide lamp, or carbide miner's lamp, headlamp goes on here, and I restored it, got it fixed up, working. But in that video, I turned off the lights and I videoed, it working. And when I got back trying to edit it, it was this blown out white image. I tried adjusting it every which way, but it was just too shot. So Nigel over, I think it's small CNC lathe, I put his name down here, the name of his YouTube channel. And we go back and forth. He's in Australia. He's a photographer, been a photographer for years, and now has his own business doing lathe work, and he does his videos. He had one of these, and he mentioned some suggestions for me. So I'm gonna try to video this with it working now, and hopefully you'll be able to see the flame. It's pretty cool. You'll be able to see the flame better in this. You can see how I restored it in the other video, but here, let's see if we can make this thing work better. In case you hadn't seen the previous video, the way these work is in the top here. This controls the amount of water that drips down to this bottom section. Bottom section has these calcium carbide rocks. It's miner's grade, and they use for blackening gun sights too. I'm not sure how that works, but got these rocks put in there. When the water drips on the rocks, as you may have seen a little smoke come up because there's a little bit of dampness still on the bottom of this one where I cleaned it out before. It produces a settling gas, and the settling gas then comes out this little nozzle here. Settling gas comes out this little nozzle here. When you strike this, the striker is supposed to light it. We'll see if it lights it. So you turn it. This will start the dripping. You hear it. You got it held up to the microphone. You can smell it too, but I'm used to acetylene because I use acetylene torches. Hey, it worked. All right. Now, how well is that coming out? So that's half. You turn it down. If you turn it off, it'll take a while because there's really nothing stopping it from coming out. This isn't an on-off switch. It just stops dripping water, and then whatever gas slowly will burn off. And you keep going. Yeah, I think that came out pretty good. I didn't put very many rocks in the bottom of this. It's almost, I guess why they put this rubber piece on here, because you cannot hardly touch that. It's very hot. So that's the carbide miner's lamp. And like I said, if you want to see how it's made, just go check out the cards, and also you just look back a few and you'll see a restoration of this where I cleaned it up and got everything working again. And that's about it. Hope you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.